I found out about a Green Light Maine from being a participant in the Top Gun programme, which has been a tremendous help. And so I had a pitch all ready to go, so I submitted it, and it seems like a wonderful opportunity to talk about what we're doing and get some exposure for our ideas and concepts. I've been working on affordable housing for the last 20 years in Maine. My co-director has been working on humanitarian aid projects and civil engineering projects across the world for the last 20 years. And since 2010, we've been talking about developing a temporary shelter kit that could be used for a wide variety of uses and by all sorts of people. And for the past year and a half, we've been actively pursuing the concept. And we've built a prototype last year. We're building our proof of concept right now. They're building walls. I got out of it for the afternoon. Oh. This is something I'm doing part-time right now. Both of us are. I'm a university professor for my day job, but it's summer, so we scheduled the summer to really push on developing this. And while we develop it, it's an ideal corollary to university research work. So I'm doing research work at the university where we're looking at affordable housing issues with my students. They designed a tiny house community for Waterville this year. And so they're finding a lot of the same issues exist with homelessness in America that do on a global scale. So one activity supports the other. I applied to be on Green Light Maine because we're looking for funding and support to construct and deliver shelters to be beta tested at locations all over the world. And while we see this as a for-profit company moving forward, in order to get the capital we need to develop the number of shelters we need and ship them, we need an influx of funding, and winning Green Light Maine would allow us to do that. It was great to have the opportunity to talk about what we're doing and share it with a wider audience. They were the same questions that we're asking ourselves. We're in a development stage. We're approaching a problem that is huge. So we understand that there are a lot of things that need to be worked out, but they were terrific questions. Oh, it would be terrific to have that level of support with some people to fill in the missing bits. I'd also really love to have the opportunity to share our works in progress and to be able to show everybody the next version of our product and to show people more of the process of how we work. Don't be afraid to fail. That was the first piece of advice I got. People are always amazed because once I set my mind to something, I just go at it until if and when I hit a brick wall, and often I don't hit a brick wall, but a lot of people wouldn't even start because they'd be afraid of failing. What have you got to lose? Just give it a go, because the world just gets changed by a small group of people who have the guts to say, yes, I can.